Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the exercise for endocrine system class 8. Just look at here, fill in the blanks. The secretions of endocrine glands are called hormones. Endocrine glands are also called ductless glands. Deficiency of growth hormone results in dwarfism. Thyroxine is secreted by the thyroid gland. Under secretion of thyroxine results in the swelling of neck. The condition is called goiter. Adrenaline is also called emergency hormone. Pancreas has a group of cells called islets of Langerhans. Glucose is converted into glycogen and is stored in the liver. Increased glucose level in the blood results in a disease called diabetes. The progesterone hormone brings changes in the body of pregnant women. Cortisone hormone helps to adapt the body to extreme heat and cold. Undersecretion of thyroxine in children may lead to a disease called cretinism. Pituitary gland, growth hormone. Adrenal gland, cortisone. Testes, testosterone. Pancreas, insulin. Ovary, estrogen. Take the correct option. The hormone which stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose is glucagon. Which of the following glands is an exocrine gland? Liver. Gigantism occurs due to the oversecretion of growth hormone. Which of the following hormones is not secreted by the pituitary gland? That is glucagon. Cretinism results due to undersecretion of thyroxine. Diabetes results due to the undersecretion of insulin. Which of the following hormones prepares the body to meet emergency situation? It is adrenaline. Complete the table. Pituitary gland, growth hormone affects growth. Pancreas secretes insulin, maintains glucose level in the blood. Adrenal secretes cortisone as well as adrenaline, affects carbohydrate, fats and protein metabolism. Testes secrete testosterone. Development of secondary sexual characters in male. What is sex hormone? The hormones produced by the ovaries and testes are called sex hormones. Where is the thyroid gland located in our body? The thyroid gland is located on either side of the windpipe in front of the voice box. Name the hormones secreted by the pituitary gland. Growth hormone. Pituitary gland, growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone and gonad stimulating hormones are also secreted by the pituitary gland. What is the function of estrogen hormone? This hormone is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters in female, such as development of breast, deposition of fats on the thighs, enlargement of uterus and vagina. How will be the effect of undersecretion of thyroxine? The effect of undersecretion of thyroxine in children, it causes cretinism, retarded physical and mental growth and development. In adults, it development plus pigeon chest, that is in children. In adults, it causes myxedema, lower basal metabolism, swollen face, physical and mental dullness, right? Why is adrenal called emergency hormone? Adrenal is called emergency hormone because it is released into the blood in greater amount during highly emotional states such as fear or anger. It increases heartbeat, blood pressure, respiratory rate, and suppresses the digestive processes. Which hormone regulates the glucose level in our body? Insulin regulates the glucose level in our body. What causes undersecretion of thyroxine hormone? Deficiency of iodine causes undersecretion of thyroid hormone. Name the gland present. Name the gland present in our body which function as exocrine as well as endocrine gland. Pancreas present in our body functions as an exocrine as well as an endocrine gland. What is the importance of growth hormone? Growth hormone is essential for growth. Its deficiency causes dwarfism. Too much secretion or production, it causes gigantism. Why is thyroxine hormone important for the normal functioning of our body? Thyroxine hormone is important for the normal function of our body because it regulates rate of cellular metabolism. It also affects growth and development. What are gonads? Right, the functions of the hormones secreted by them. Gonads and testes. Gonads are testes and ovaries, means the common name, whether the male or the female reproductive organ, commonly they are known as gonads. The hormones secreted by the ovaries, they control reproductive growth and development of the secondary sexual characters in females, and the reproductive behavior in and reproductive behavior in female. And hormones secreted by testes, it controls the same, the secondary sexual characters and the reproductive growth and development in case of males. How does the pituitary gland affect the functioning of the other glands in our body? Pituitary gland, also called the master gland, it secretes the hormone and other hormones to control the functioning of the other glands like thyroid gland, adrenal, ovaries, and testes. How is the level of glucose maintained in our body? Excess glucose is converted into glycogen by the insulin and stored in the liver. If glucose level goes down, then glucagon changes glycogen into glucose. Glycogen changes into glucose by a glucagon hormone to maintain the level of the sugar of the blood. What is the difference between estrogen and progesterone hormone? Estrogen is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters in female, while progesterone brings changes in the body during the pregnancy. Explain the parathyroid gland. Four small glands attached to the thyroid gland. They secrete parathormone, which regulates calcium and phosphorus metabolism. I hope it is clear. Look at the picture given below. Identify the disease shown in the figure. It is goiter. What symptom do you see in the person? That is the swelling in the neck you are able to see. Is it due to under secretion, over or under secretion of animal? It is due to under secretion of the hormone. Name the hormone, thyroxine hormone. Name a disease common in children which is caused due to under secretion of the hormone named above, that is cretinism. What type of gland secretes the hormone? Endocrine gland or exocrine? It is endocrine gland. Endocrine gland that secretes the endocrine gland, that is the thyroid gland that secretes the thyroxine. Okay, now just look at this here also. Uh, Put a tick mark against the correct alternative. The following: cortisol hormone is secreted by the medulla of adrenal, pancreas, cortex of adrenal, thyroid. Correct option is cortex of adrenal. Which one of the following hormones stimulates the breakdown of glycogen to the liver into glucose? It is glucagon. Which of the following hormone converts excess of glucose into glycogen? It is insulin. Which of the following is also called master gland? Pituitary gland. Emergency hormone to face the danger of fight to is secreted by adrenal medulla. What is hormone? Hormone is a chemical substance secreted from an endocrine gland which is directly poured into the bloodstream and acts on the target organ or the cell. Which of the following endocrine glands produces the hormone in large quantities as an emotional situation? It is the adrenal medulla, adrenaline. In a table, thyroid secretes thyroxine, it controls the metabolic rate. Pancreas secretes insulin, it regulates the amount of sugar in the blood. Adrenal secretes adrenaline, it prepares the body for action. Pituitary gland, growth hormone, speeds up the growth. In humans, increased thyroxine production results in increased metabolism. Cretinism, defective development of the child. Diabetes mellitus, it is the insufficient insulin in the blood. Increased metabolic rate, over secretion of thyroxine. Simple goiter, insufficient iodine in the food. Growth hormone, pituitary gland. Now see hormone source and functions. Glucagon, alpha cells. Breakdown of the glycogen into glucose. Thyroxine, thyroid gland, controls the metabolic rate. Adrenaline, adrenal medulla, to meet emergency situation. Insulin by beta cells, it removes excess of glucose from the blood. Cortisol from adrenal cortex, that carbohydrate, protein, and fat. What is the difference between the exocrine and an endocrine gland? Exocrine gland, which they have ducts, they pour their secretions to the particular as the pancreatic duct. And endocrine glands, they are ductless gland, they pour their secretions directly into the blood, and with the blood they reaches to the place where they are supposed to be utilized. Why pituitary gland is called muscle? Because as it releases many hormones, they control other endocrine glands so that they are able to function it properly. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.